Hello guys, do you know that WordPress has the ability to schedule posts to publish at your desired time? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can schedule posts in WordPress. That is how you can choose when WordPress should automatically publish a post for you. So you can decide to set it at today, tomorrow, or even in few days time. So guys, by scheduling your post, you don't need to worry about publishing the post all by yourself, because setting the particular time you want the post to be published will go a long way in saving you time and also giving you the time to do other things as well. So in this video, I will show you how to easily schedule WordPress post using a step-by-step tutorial guide, and make sure you follow this video carefully. Now let's talk about why you need to schedule WordPress posts. So after creating a blog, the best strategy is to make sure that you plan how you should publish your content. Some people publish content like 5 times a day, some once a day, while some even more than 10 times a day, and they set a particular time that each of these posts should publish. While some they do it manually, while some they schedule it and then the post automatically publish when it gets to that particular time. So now another reason why you should schedule your post is to benefit from traffic peak. So that is, there's a certain time in the day where each website gets the peak of their users. So by publishing at that particular time, it is going to increase your page views. So this is another reason why you should publish you should schedule your WordPress post. Now let's talk about how to schedule a post in WordPress. Now the first thing you need to do is to make sure you are logged in into the dashboard of your WordPress website, and this is mine here, and then you go to post section and click on all posts. So if you have an existing post that you would like to reschedule, that is in draft, for example, let me use this one, draft, to make an example. Draft posts are posts that are not published yet. So you can see I have a post here in the draft section, and I can decide to go to schedule this post. You have to click on quick edit. You can see here you can decide to take it to publish immediately, and then you can choose the category that you want it to publish, and then to set a particular time you want this post to publish, you can choose any time from here. Then you can decide to set the particular time, the date that you want. Today is 19. You can decide to choose 20, which is tomorrow, and then you pick the particular time that you want. So once you click on update, the post is going to publish at that particular time. So another way again to schedule a post is by clicking on the edit button, and then to bring out the post edit page. On this page you can edit using the right section of the screen. Here you will find options like publish, save draft, and so on. So when you click on publish immediately, you can decide to edit and set the particular time that you want. So once you've done that, you click on OK, and then you click on publish. So this post will be published at that particular time you set. So you can see guys that it is very easy to schedule a post in WordPress regardless of the particular post. If it's a new post or a post that have been published before, you can decide to re-edit and then set that particular post to be published again. So this is basically how you can schedule a post in WordPress. So if you have any question, please do well to use the comment section to ask your question, and I will be here to give a possible answer. We're gonna challenge you, but it says here this guy never reached feed. I tell them, I come up for house. That's why I see people call me one of those guys already to come up to come feed. So you never come out. You tell me, see, you will call me once you want to come out. So guys, that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, please do it to use the comment section to ask your question, and of course give this video a thumbs up and share this video with others so they can benefit from this tutorial. So guys, see you in the next video. Bye.